Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a voice acting test, and I'll be the Shulker Bucks from Minecraft. Yeah, I'm not sitting alone in my room at 2 a.m. doing this right now. Someone's going to wake up. Feel free to copy my voice and share it with your friends. And Mojang, if you see this, feel free to use my sounds of my voice in your future game updates. Update the end already. Update it. There's nothing to do in the game.
Oh, but Minecraft is a sandbox game and you gotta find your own thing to do.